Welcome to the Arc Base Range Assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the column, the top plate and the base. You will need a drill with a 5mm Allen key drill bit and thread lock. Remove the pre-assembled screws from both ends of the column. Place the column upright on either end as both have 3 holes. Grab the top plate and place it on top of the column, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the screws and place them through the plate and into the column. Use the drill to gradually tighten the screws until they are secure. Flip the column over and position the base on top, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the screws, place them through the holes and tighten with the drill. The Arc Base range is available in a coffee table, table and dry bar height with varying base sizes, powder coated in either black or white. They feature soft radius corners and slim columns, perfect for hospitality and office applications.